Hello, middle school art maniacs. Today we are going to be drawing Eminen the Rapper. So, lightly, I'm just laying out where this caricature is going to go. This guy's been around a while. Not that he's old. I would never say that. See, how would that go? Yeah. Something like that. All right, here we go. Now you kids, make sure you're using your pencil. Otherwise, oh, so frustrating. So we're gonna start with his hat. It's gonna come straight and a curvy line, and then it's gonna come back around. So this looks like an S. And this is gonna come around, nice, straight, and then he's got the Nike thing on his hat. I wonder if he plays basketball. I don't know. All right, we'll color that in later. Then we're gonna have it come down, cheekbone, down, little beat, a little hump there. Then it's gonna come back up. Then we have flashy earring, little earlobe. And then this is gonna come up here, and then he's got a little bit of hair back there. Then we'll do a little ear suggestion. Then we're gonna have, let's see, we're gonna go under the Nike. We're gonna draw a line down, around, just like that. Kind of looks like a foot. It's a foot nose. Then I'm gonna draw some little almonds with a line in the middle. We have his eyeball here, and then we're gonna have eyebrow there. Same thing on this side, almond, looking over this way, and we'll have his eyebrow kind of overlapping, or the hat is overlapping the eyeball. And then we're just gonna make a little mouth. There we go. He's gotta have his cool look on. We're gonna come around like that, and then it's gonna come back. Then we're gonna come around, come back, and then we're gonna have a little bitty neck, because this is a caricature. Shoulders, little shirt under there, thing back there, nice. Then come around and come back up, little shoulder. Then he's got a little sleeve, circle for the mic, and comes back, little thumb thing, and then we've got a finger, There's the inside of the hand, finger, little finger, coming back here. And there's the mic. We did it. Then we're gonna have a line coming around here and a line that is going to repeat that. And there's the little hood thing, pocket. And we don't want to forget the strings. There we go. Put an X there. Have some logo-y thing there. And then that comes down to the pocket. And we're gonna come over here, come up here, draw around. And there's the little sleeve coming back, and this is foreshortened, so it's coming toward us. And then we're gonna draw the hand. And you know what happened? This guy lost his ride. And so he's like, hey, dude, look at me. Maybe he's hitchhiking. I don't know. You can decide. Draw some little, whatchamacallits, pockets. All right, now for the shoes. Got the big tongue. Comes back, around. And then it comes around. And we've got the laces. Something here, maybe something here. I don't know. Maybe these were designer shoes that he made. That looks pretty good. Let's see. Need a little zipper thing. And I think that looks pretty good. Maybe he's on stage. I don't know. Maybe we'll put a little thumbnail there. Let's see. Oh, you know what? We should probably put some thumbnails here. Or not thumbnails. Just some nails. Yeah, funny. Look at me, dude. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.